Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to hide spoilers on Discord, whether it's text, images, or even links. Let's begin. First, hiding text spoilers. If you're typing something and want to mark it as a spoiler, just put two vertical bars on each side of the word or sentence, like this. When you send it, Discord will blur it out. Anyone who wants to see it can just tap or click it. Now, hiding images. When you're uploading an image or file on desktop, after selecting the file, click the tiny eye icon before sending it. That's the Mark as Spoiler option. This way, the image will be hidden until someone chooses to reveal it. On mobile, after selecting the image, tap the three dots or long press the image preview, and there you'll find Mark as Spoiler. Not all Android versions support this, but newer ones do. Now, what about links? You can't exactly blur a link, but you can wrap the link in spoiler tags using the hiding text method. Just put two vertical bars on each side of the link, like this. It will still show as blurred text, and your friends can click to reveal it, just like with text spoilers. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to hide spoilers on Discord. Thanks for watching.